Today, more than ever before, quality is the key to international trading success. And it was a commitment to creating and maintaining that quality that led to the launch of the National Quality Campaign, a campaign supported throughout industry. The National Quality Campaign is a dynamic movement with the single aim of coordinating a major quality awareness program to promote British manufacturing excellence worldwide. A movement that is going from strength to strength. While British manufacturers continue to set new standards of quality in a host of industries, foreign competition intensifies continuously, making the modern marketplace a crowded and confusing arena. With so much variety, so much choice, so many conflicting standards, how can quality be measured today? The UK has many quality assessment schemes. In some industries, far too many of them. Numerous reports, particularly the Warner Report of 1977, have criticized the way in which they duplicate each other. The Warner Report acted as a catalyst in the field of quality assurance. It stimulated both government and industry to consider the pressing question of how British quality could be assessed stringently, simply, and economically, to offer the purchaser the security to persuade him to buy British. The 1982 White Paper on Standards, Quality and Competitiveness emphasized that quality assurance was an important means of strengthening Britain's international competitiveness. It recommended that the multiplicity of specifications be reduced and requirements related instead to standards. Meanwhile, the British Standards Institution had reached much the same conclusion. BS 5750 quality systems broke new ground. Far from being a blueprint for the quality control of a product or component, it supplied industry with a quality management standard, covering every aspect of commercial activity within a company, from planning to design control, documentation to manufacturing, protection and preservation of product to training. For the first time, British industry was able to offer the guarantee of comprehensive quality assurance across the board. This development has implications for many sectors of industry, not least automotive manufacturers and their subcontractors. The quest for quality is of paramount importance to the UK's automotive industry, particularly in today's highly competitive trading environment. In the automotive market, quality is related directly to sales, and accordingly the main manufacturers have refined their quality systems to a high level of excellence. Major component manufacturers also have long been committed to achieving quality at every stage of the manufacturing process, rather than relying on traditional post-manufacture quality control. The stage is now set for the automotive component industry to review the advantages of full commitment to independent third-party assessment through BS 5750. This move would not only provide a practical means of backup to the industry's main manufacturers, it would considerably reduce the number of assessments companies would need to perform. Independent assessment frees precious resources by eliminating the expensive and wasteful duplication of different private schemes. It also eliminates the large costs that can be incurred through buying defective components from non-quality assured sources. The adoption of a scheme based on BS 5750 would also provide further endorsement of the national strategy. A powerful example of the way in which one sector has introduced a highly effective independent quality assessment scheme is provided by the British fastener industry. As no less than 30% of the output of the fastener industry is directed to the automotive market, the compatibility of the two industries' quality assessment schemes is essential. 85 to 90% of British fastener manufacturers now subscribe to the country's first engineering sector-based certification scheme involving independent audit. It was planned in conjunction with the BSI to evolve quality control systems which laid the foundation for a national sector-based scheme, taking BS 5750 as its basis and introducing requirements specific to the fastener industry. The scheme involves a rigorous scrutiny of manufacturers' quality manuals and regular unannounced BSI audit visits to factories. The objective guarantee of such a high standard of quality brings clear advantages to participating manufacturers. Undoubtedly, independent assessment provides an effective extra element of quality assurance that can only enhance the component manufacturer's competitive position. The time is now ripe for this industry sector to come into line with the aims of the National Quality Campaign. The movement pledged to develop better British business through better British quality.